Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into the Vizio app on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you will ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get started. So this can be done both on iOS and Android. So firstly, make sure that you have downloaded and installed the application. So open your App Store or Play Store depending on what device you are on, and simply go ahead and search for Vizio, and then simply go ahead and download and install it. Now go ahead and click on open, and finally all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your email up top, enter your password up top, and simply go ahead and tap on sign in, and you will be logged in into your account. However, if you don't want to do it from your email or password, you can just tap on sign in with Google and then Facebook and then Apple. So these are the options you get when it comes to signing up with Vizio. I hope this video was pretty helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.